In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to make a product video. If you're a beginner, you're going to find this video extremely helpful. So make sure you watch it all the way till the end so you can get our best tips. Hi, my name is Veronica and welcome to Wondershare Filmy's YouTube channel. Now, we've seen a lot of change going on in the world of marketing, especially during the pandemic. But you know what they say, the more things change, the more they stay the same. Well, we could say that about video marketing. A lot of things has changed, but video marketing still remains the king of the marketing. Video remains the most engaging content in all content types. In fact, video content is the only type of content that is almost 100% guaranteed to stop people from scrolling through their social media for at least 3 seconds. In comparison, your brain just breezes through images and text, but videos grab and hold people's attention 5 times more than static images. Besides, product videos are highly cost-effective, yet ragingly successful. Currently, YouTube has some juicy advertising opportunities you might want to check out. The interactive ads feature is hot right now. People get to see your products and their prices while they watch your video, and then they can make their purchase just within a few clicks. Then there is, of course, trust building as well. You already know how important it is for your customers to be able to trust you, right? And remember, customers don't trust brands, they trust people. With that said, videos actually help to humanize your business. When people can connect face to a brand, the relationship becomes automatically more authentic. Even animated videos, though they don't have human faces, can do a lot for your brand. They can help you to share crucial information about your products in a way your customers are more likely to receive. Speaking of crucial information, a product video is the easiest way to pass across complex information in a very easy to understand and engaging manner. In fact, 75% of people who watch a product video make a purchase afterward, and that's exactly what you want. One final reason why you need to make a product video is because it's all in rage right now, especially because of the pandemic. People's habits changed a lot since the pandemic, and 96% of people now say they watch more videos because of the pandemic. On Instagram right now, videos perform 3 times better than sponsored photos. And on Facebook, videos have been shown to convert about 30% better than photos. Just remember, although videos are highly engaging, if you don't make them correctly, you might not get the results you want. And this also applies to product slideshows. You must do a fantastic job if you want to see results from your product videos or from your product slideshows. And there are a couple of questions you want to ask yourself before you start. First one is, what are your goals for the video? This will actually really help you with brainstorming your ideas. So find your why. Are you making the video to build brand awareness? Do you want to generate sales or leads? Or do you just want to educate your customers about some certain features of your product? Knowing all these will tell you what feel and look you want to give to your videos or slideshow. Second, find what your target audience is. Who is this video for? And don't say everyone. Everyone is no one. Your audience has to be very, very specific so you know what look and feel the best communicates to them. Different target audiences have different needs, so you would have to tailor whatever you're creating to meet that need. Now, don't forget, you're selling your product's benefits, not the features. Nobody wants to know if your knives are made from carbon steel or tool steel. They just want to know that it will help to cut them faster and will not dull over time. In short, the video should be audience-centric. Talk more about what your product can do for them instead of talking about how wonderful it is. Finally, a call to attention is important. If you don't tell your customers to take action, they probably wouldn't. So make sure to include call to action at the end of your script. Now that you have hooked your audience, let them know what to do next. Once you've successfully taken care of the factors we just discussed, then you are ready to make your video. And this is the fun part. If you're a beginner in video editing or you're finding a way to quickly produce a product video, definitely try out Wondershare Filmy. Why? It's not just fantastic video editing software. It's also super easy to use and will save you loads of time because it has lots of cool AI-powered smart templates. With these templates, you can make a product slideshow with one simple click. And there is a download link in description box below. So for instance, let's say that you have a organic food business and you're looking to create a fresh and dynamic product slideshow for your business. All you would have to do is to open Wondershare Filmy and simply look for organic template. Select the template, drag or drop your footage, simply click on auto create and boom, your video will will be ready just in a second. So give it a try and let us know if you like it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there is anything related to video editing that you would like to know, please let us know in the comment section down below. We would love to hear from you. And until next time, see you!